3, 2, 1, catch!
We 3D printed this Pikachu. Hey guys, Brandon from GameStop Canada here. And if there's two things I like in this world, it's Pikachu and 3D printing. Now, I have a 3D printer in front of me, and we're looking at the Creality Ender Pro. This guy has a 22 by 22 by 30 centimeter printing space, so it can print relatively sizable small projects. I know that sounds kind of like an oxymoron, but if you're looking to print miniatures or dice or anything in terms of smaller pieces like figures or anything like that, this guy can definitely handle the task. Anything larger than that, if you want a replica sword, maybe not so much. Maybe if you do it in pieces and glue it together, you'll get there. Now, if you're looking for the printer as well as any filaments, we have the full biogenic line, which you can check out on our website with a link in the description. With the modular design and how easy it is to set up straight out of the box, especially because of the modular feature where you get to build this yourself, so if you're into tinkering, and especially if you just download your blueprints online and print your dice or whatever it is that you're 3D printing from there. The Ender Pro makes it really easy for anyone to get started into the hobby of 3D printing, or if you're already a veteran, it's just a nice affordable device that you can keep around as a desktop industrial grade 3D printer. The Ender Pro has a lot of unique features that are going to assist you in any of your printing projects, ranging from something as simple as the heated bed to the separate motherboard, keeping the device relatively quiet for operating purposes, as well as power outage protection and the resume printing function, meaning that if you stop the printer for whatever reason, you can come back and pick up right where the project left off, rather than having to start all over again and wasting filament. Whether you're a tabletop RPGer, a collectibles enthusiast, heck, even a cosplayer looking to make some of their smaller prop pieces, the Creality Ender Pro 3D printer is perfect for you and will get the job done in a pinch. Make sure to check this guy out on our website at gamestop.ca, as well as if you do pick it up, grab some filaments so you can have a variety of color ready to go for any of your projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more. I'm Brandon with GameStop, and we'll see you in the next video.